We are excited about hosting the Fluke Reliability Roadshow, and we have it here in our event center here located at Green River Distilling in Owensboro, Kentucky.
Thanks everybody for coming out. This is our first official Fluke Reliability Roadshow.
That was awesome.
So this roadshow in 3 words: awesome, informative, and boozy.
The tour was absolutely amazing. My favorite part of the tour is actually where they house all of the barrels.
If they ever do another road show, I recommend everybody come to it.
Experience was great. I've been doing speaking for engagements like this for quite a long time now.
What brought me to the Fluke Reliability Roadshow was the opportunity to meet other maintenance professionals and the bourbon.
It's awesome to hear these different stories and connecting with other industries. The Fluke Reliability Roadshow has been amazing.